Cody just had me. Oh gosh. I just hit my head. Cody just had me unload all this hay. I only tore up one bale. I feel like that's pretty good. I need something magnetic. Hold on. How about that? Alright, that didn't work very well. We're gonna drive the skiddy and put it up real quick. Okay, let's go. Drive it with this. Oh, let me show you the hay unloading. Yeah, turn around. Turn around. Every now and then I hear. Okay, hold on. Let's not tear up the ground. I already tore it up enough unloading the hay. Alright, here's the hay. I unloaded 8 bales off of Danny Boy. Right there. Cody's over there putting his beef trade out. Show y'all the drive. There we go. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Oh! He just cut me off. What the heck? What the heck, bro? Move it. Cover. Alright, we'll park her here. We will put our spike down. And we will kill the implement. We will pull up our seat belt. Then we'll turn it off. And then we'll open the door. Uh-oh. There we go. Okay. And she's parked. Y'all keep ranching. Have a good day.